The Walker Advanced Manufacturing Innovation Center is a go-to resource for companies that are looking to innovate in the engineering space.
Here at WAMIC, we're mostly involved with manufacturing and design projects.
WAMIC has all the latest equipment and students here helping develop projects for small to mid-sized companies.
Any company that's looking to reevaluate how they do what they do, bring new products to market, we can help you get started on that. We're very fortunate that the financial risk of investing in innovation can be offset by the government grants that we have available to us.
Hamill Machine has been a custom machine shop here in Niagara Falls for the past 73 years. We specialize in custom machining, so we're doing ones and twos, not tens of thousands.
Hamill really took this approach that they wanted to develop products that they owned to be able to sell to their customers and clients.
Do we have the resources in-house? We do, but for us to actually bring it through to fruition, what could take a month or two might have taken us 6 months or a year, and at the time we didn't have that time.
Hamill noticed an opportunity in the market that bars and restaurants were stacking barrels and kegs. Could they design something that was a modular system to stack kegs in a safer manner?
They started out making these by hand, and ultimately the demand grew so much that they now have a robot that does robotic welding for them.
And the same time we did that, we partnered with Niagara College to help us develop a pneumatic jig for our weld cell.
We're able to act as their sort of outsourced R&D department to do some of that trial and error and early prototyping work to figure out whether their idea is feasible, possible.
They do a lot of work in microgreens as well, so we did some projects with them in that.
So the microgreen trimmer was an automated solution to cutting produce.
They've now spun off a division working in the microgreens area.
Since the growth of the microgreens harvesters, which are kind of, we've got a shop full of them behind us now. It's something we've developed kind of now would be almost full production lines.
They're great because they'll take what we've done, finish it off, and get it ready to go to sell to their customers, and it's been a great success.
We never know really what technologies we're gonna need, but a lot of that stuff that we will require, does come out of Niagara College.
WAMIC definitely is an asset on the resume. Working with WAMIC has exposed me to some of the most cutting-edge equipment, and when people know that you have that kind of experience, they want that.
They can walk in and we can put them to work right away. We have 6 engineers who design all this new technology, and they're all Niagara College graduates.
At WAMIC, we provide solutions for industry.